It is raining today, so might as well. Oh, this is my least favorite campaign of all time. I hate this. This campaign sucks.
I don't get off the boat. Y'all are gonna have to get the gasoline and get back here. I'll be right here for you now. Hurry back with the gasoline.
What are we supposed to signal him with?
Oh, there's flares in the gun bag.
You didn't grab the guns?
You didn't grab the guns?
Me? Who died and made me gun monitor?
Pretty much everybody.
Yeah, the gas station's right across the street. We could have already been there by now. Come on.
First aid.
Also, the democracy has been built, which means I can now use legally registered firearms. I'm not sure how these are legally registered firearms, but I'll take it, you know. You gotta do it what you got in a zombie. But did that guy just fucking spawn? Or is that by magic? Maybe he hopped down from it. He just spawned and died. That wasn't even a spawn camp. Bro spawned in dead. How did you hit me with that? I call shenanigans. Where the hunter at? Oh, I got him midair, bitch. Suck it. Killed every single special. Yeah, that should be an achievement. Kill every single special infected. Like, just you, no one else.
Much obliged. Reloading.
Partner.
All right. Keep your eyes open for landmarks.
Playground. Oh, you there? Yes, you. You're a shotgun. Hey, Trace. Why is Ella so much bigger than that damn thing? I know it's for toddlers, but the size discrepancy is unreal. Can the bullets not go? Thank you.
Bill's here.
I'll take those. I just used some. Kaboom! Kaboom, baby! Now I know the strat. Just gotta do it right. You gotta press the right click key right before he starts charging. Ooh. Right before he gets to you.
Guns right
No,
here.
I missed me with that. Oh, it's good. I don't try this thing very often.
We can cut through this garage sale.
Yeah, a grenade launcher in a garage sale. Sounds American to me. What's up in one? Nope. Oh, bullshit. Well, time to make like the trailer and kill this asshole with a grenade launcher. The trailer, what? The intro. I meant the intro. Because in the intro for this game, Ellis kills a tank with a grenade launcher. No! Oh, fucking bullshit. How much damage did the grenade launcher even do? Fired like 3 grenades at his ass. Granted, my teammates were firing at them, but okay. I can't lie, this thing is pretty fun to use. Just don't use it on any difficulty labeled expert. Otherwise, you're gonna fucking die. Yeah, well, did I not hit him? How the hell does that survive that? Where the jockey?
Hey, there's a safe room right up there.
No jockey for me, thank you very much.
Can somebody wait up? I gotta heal.
I love that sound, dude. Just the raindrops falling. Okay, okay. No, close the damn door. Close the damn door. Close the door. Who the hell is not inside? But there's 4 and 2. Oh,
Man, we fired your ass.
what the fuck happened there? I have no idea. Maybe because there's still zombies inside the safe room. 1200 damn. 3 grenade launcher hits. 1200 damage. That's 400 damage a shot. You love to see it. Oh, come on. Nice. Fast up. Oh, bullshit, dude. Where the hell did he come from? Bullshit, dude.
Come on, this way.
Don't want to get stuck out here in the storm.
Headshot.
Weapons open. Good to go.
Another one of you motherfuckers.
Up that ramp. Which.
Yeah, there's a lot of witches in this campaign. Another reason why I hate it. My main reason is because of the rain. That shit sucks. I know it's quite literally the center of the campaign, but it's just not fun, dude. What did I even do? Oh, it must have been the pipe bomb. Ow. Oh my god, I somehow dodged. Get dodged, bitch. How? Bullshiggity, dude. Oh, I'll show you a bitch.
Dang, this water's starting to pool. Shit.
Wait, am I going backwards? No, I'm not. I'm chilling.
Oh, witch. Waste this by getting pounced on or something. Much better now.
Really go for a magnum right about.
Buy bomb here.
Useless.
I hit it.
I already have one. God damn, the stagger animation is so long, bro. Okay, maybe I should stop using the thing. Starting to run a hell out of spam ammo. I don't even know if that sentence was grammatically correct. I can't speak. Come on, you stupid ass elevator. I could probably go faster than your ass. If it's one thing melee weapons are good at is I guess, how should I put this? Destroying an intruder. This case, that being special infected. I paired up the two weapons with the worst ammo management in the game. This is gonna go so well. I really want to get a chainsaw like this. It's so cool. No. Oh shit. Puma. I have to startle any witches, guys. Otherwise, you will pay the price. Garbage! Garbage! I call bullshit. Help! Damn, I was way too close for comfort. Yoy. Follow the fucking pipe bomb, you ass.
Cover me, please. We are the kings of the world.
Woo. I can't catch a break with this campaign, man. Hell yeah. Oh, things are starting to look a lot better.
Everybody got a gas can? I do not want to make this trip twice.
I got one.
Back to the boat, people.
Oh shit, it's really storming.
Not really, Ellis. Damn. Car, you out of your goddamn mind. Fucking tank already, bro. You dead ass right now. Just started. Oh yes, thank you. Still could go for a Magnum, but screw it. Careful guys, don't step outside. Oh, never mind. Where the hell did the goo go?
Everybody, back down the stairs.
Huh? I just got it. This mod really helps out because unlike the normal shotgun, your flashlight's always centered, just like the melee's, even when you reload. Huh. Alright, enough using my ammo. Let's start melee. Let's start chopping these motherfuckers into mince meat! Oh god damn it, guys, get over here. Couch, you son of a... There's no way all the damage did not kill her! Thank... Ah damn, bro. Boomer. There's... Seriously, I'm starting to run out of ammo. This water's really fucking annoying. Don't say, coach. I really wish there were more ammo piles. Ah, god damn it, dude, I was scratching my eye. Oh, there it is.
Oh, hell yeah!
What? How the hell did I... fuck you, I got the most special, so I don't care. When it comes to the horde section, I'm about to cook. I'm about to cook. How come there's first aids here? Like, where did they come from? They weren't here before. Same with the first aids, the bile. I should take that because bile's kind of the bile. It's kind of the middle ground between throwables. You know, Molotov's good for tanks. Pipe bomb's good for special for common infected, and the bile is good for everything. Oh, wait a goddamn microsecond. I forgot myself some ammo. I was forgetting something. Shit. How the fuck is he not dead yet? Aw, tank, are you insane? In this weather, look at this place, you're trucking like it's nobody's business. Meanwhile, I'm slow to an absolute crawl. Ammo pile, anyone? Nah, nothing. No, I can't even get out of here because of... It's a board. How the fuck boarded up the windows thinking that shit would work? Can I even break these boards? Oh my god, I can. Shit. No. Where the hell is my... Magnum, bro. I have not seen a Magnum all game.
Think I heard a boomer.
That's all you can break? That's what I thought. Seriously, why there are no ammo piles?
The playground. Yeah, we're almost at the dock. I hear Spitter. Hey, there's that truck wreck. We're getting close, man. That dock ain't much further. Healing.
Oh, a couple more kills would have done it. Nick, what the hell were you doing during the tank fight? Are you stupid or something? Nah, defibs suck. Anyways, for how long has it been raining? I don't understand why the survivors don't just, you know, wait out the fucking storm. It'd be so much more simple that way.
Ammo here.
Alright, let me just actually get up there. This is the best spot to camp. None of that slow ass water slowing you down. Guys, I'm gonna need you to come over yonder. Ah, damn it. Now there's even more of them. That didn't hit him. I call shenanigans. Nah, still an easy kill either way. Alright, here they come. Come on! Thank you, for fuck's sake. Where the hunter at? You can't just say hunter growls and then not show him to me. There he is. What the hell is he doing? Why was he climbing the burger tank sign? These guys know about burger or something? That is the weakest horde I have ever seen. Ain't no way, bro. But ain't no way, boy. But ain't no way, boy. Oh, man, I'm delirious after that. Chill, thank you. Alright, that's the last one.
Come on now, keep it up, keep it up.
Yeah, go, 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 go. Yeah. Jockey. God damn it, dude, every time. Where? Oh, through the burger joint, obviously. Yeah, hoppa. Alright, that is hard rain. Finally, god damn, bro, that shit is so ass. Woo! What a bunch of bullshit. Weatherman weathers the storm. Woohoo! Man, kill yourself. This campaign is absolute ass. Never want to play this shit again in my life. But I have to. But I was the only one who got in cap? Damn. Hate to see it. Not a lot of zombies, alright? Matter of fact, there's 5 chapters. Like 200, 600 zombies between us. I killed all the boomer, bruh. No special. Shit. I'll take second place, you know. So somehow 800 zombies. Where did they all come from? Seem like not that many, you know. 30%. How the hell did coach hit 50% of his shots? Damn. Still less than 1,000 again.